sometimes it's good to be surprised.
There we are.
Interior designer Karla Dreyer is here with some simple fall decor ideas for our homes. And of course, pumpkins are a really big theme in the fall, Karla.
It is. And you know what? I was really inspired by, all the fall decor when you go into the shops and they have all these vignettes and everyone goes, oh, that looks so nice. But you go, how can I do that in my own home? Well, I'm going to show you. You actually can do it in your own home with things you actually already have.
Well, you're saying you're good at showing non-DIYers how to do stuff.
Yes, I consider myself the DIYer for the non-DIYer.
Perfect.
Like, I'm there for you.
Okay, where do we start?
So we're going to start with the first vignette is for your front door. So this is a good time of year to change up things for your front door. So this is what I want you to do. Get a crate. You might have a crate. If you don't, you can get them at like the dollar store. Flip it on its side like this.
Sure.
Then you're going to put a couple, like I was saying, I love these gnarly looking pumpkins. I think they're so cool. But whatever you love, put it inside with the pumpkins. So a mum plant. These are everywhere. Put that beside. And then a wreath. This is my favorite. So this is the DIY for non-DIYers. It's with this pampas.
Like
yes, isn't it gorgeous? So this is really on trend, and all you do is basically snip a bit of the grass, and then I took a wreath like this.
You can buy these at any of the craft stores.
Any of the craft stores. And I mean, I'm not doing this beautifully here, but you just stick it in.
It looks like feathers.
And it looks like feathers. I didn't use anything else, and you've created this.
Love it, love it, love it.
Yeah.
The pink here is outstanding.
Okay, I'm kind of obsessed because I was like, well, let's go with some non-traditional fall colors. And I thought, hot pink, how fun.
Why
and
not?
then they turned out. So I just spray painted these, like
These
outside.
are just those little ornamental pumpkins you can get at any grocery store these days.
So spray painted them, and really you've got something fun there. But the thing I wanted to point out is the tray. So everyone usually has a tray at home. Here's another opportunity for a vignette.
Nice.
So, do the pumpkins in a fun color, add a bowl with texture. Anything with texture says fall. Get some blooms. And then some beads. And this is another actually little DIY. These are like wood beads from the dollar store with a string. So easy peasy peasy.
That is brilliant. Okay. These, I have to say, are probably my favorite.
They're pretty, right?
Yeah.
Again, I was loving the spray paint, as you can tell. So we have our lanterns from the summer that maybe are still outside. Bring it inside. And this is another opportunity for a little vignette. So I did the pumpkins, I spray painted them, but you could, and put some moss in there. But you could have the kids go out and like forage for leaves or pine cones
or even the
or
rocks that you get in vases for floral designs. You could throw those in instead.
Absolutely, and it just creates something. Again, this could actually go outside or inside, but when I was thinking of vignettes, I was like, okay, well, putting it on a wood little tray is cute, and then doing this, which is the 70s are back with the pressed flowers.
Really?
So in. It's so funny, right? And
so
kids
cool.
love it too. But all I did for this, literally, is I took some eucalyptus, which is in our next little vignette, clipped it off, and stuck it in. I didn't even tape it, and you've got something really cute and easy and
I never would have thought of that. Last but not least,
bring out your cutting board. So when I style for things for a shoot on home, I always pull out the cutting board. It just looks great. Anything you put on it looks good.
Yep.
So just the tip, you want to think in different textures and different heights. So I love eucalyptus all year round, but I love it in the fall.
Yep.
I think it smells beautiful. Adding those wood beads again, add a candle that you love. This time we've got the little glam pumpkin. But if you put that on your countertop, I think it's always going to look nice.
That is so cool. What a great centerpiece for a table or a coffee table or just about anything.
Absolutely.
Karla, thank you.
Thank you.
Really put a twist on fall decor. I love it. You can check out Karla's website. It is KarlaDreyerDesign.com. She's at Karla Dreyer Design if you want to find her on social media. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.